In this tutorial, you will learn how to make your material in no time with Material Texture Loader script. It's designed to quickly load textures, create a material and apply that to your scene. It supports Vray, Corona, Redshift, Arnold, FStorm, Physical and Standard material, and is compatible with 3ds Max 2016 to 2020, and it's super easy to work with. Now let's dive in! Hello everyone, I'm Said Mandegar. Welcome back to yet another tutorial. So great to have you here and hope you have a smile on your face while watching this video. First, I create a plane to make a very small and simple scene to show you how to apply the outcome on your project. And at the end, you will see the final render of this tutorial. To make a pond, I add an editable poly modifier on my plane to use a soft selection. Select a face to activate the Move tool. Now go to the scripting menu and select the Run Script. Load the Material Texture Loader script. To install this plugin, you just need to download and copy the script files in this directory. And the next step of installation is to press Yes to finish installing process. As simple as that. Click Load Texture and select all the maps you have to let this script make your material. Just notice that it defines map based on industry standard name filters. As you see, they are loaded in their place. Press Create Material. You can also change the material's name and then press OK. Now the material is ready to use. I load the material editor and assign this material to one of the empty slots. Now I assign this material to my model. Let's make a pond. I copy it and delete the modifiers to apply some new ones. To make the water material, you need to change the diffuse color to black and change the reflection color to white. I also add a fall-off map so it reflects like the water in the real world. Also, change the refraction color to white so you can see the beneath the water, and add a fall-off for the same reason. Let's add a noise modifier to create some waveforms on the surface. Now I add a Vray Doom light to assign a Vray HDRI to light up the scene. If you need to learn how to use HDRI lighting, click on interactive card up here to watch my HDRI lighting tutorial. Let's assign this HDRI to the Doom light. Okay, now I set my camera and render this scene. This is the final result. I think it looks realistic. So, in this video I could make such a real scene with a script in a very short time. I guess it takes less than a minute to make my material. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell to be notified about the next video. See you soon. Have fun!